FIR registered.
Yeah, but these sections which are put, sir, I just wanted to add a few sections to this because just like that Wellington case, once one FIR is lodged, then you cannot put more sections. If the sections are the same, you can edit, but you cannot add, you cannot do another FIR. You cannot do the same. Only one.
So why not to declare all that? No, that will go to Vasco only.
Right.
Double jeopardy is not permitted under the Indian Constitution.
Right. So I just wanted to know, sir, which sections are put from Vasco, if you have any idea.
There is 299.
299 is there in the Vasco one.
The prosecutor is opinion and
Yes. So this section is not there, sir. The 196(2).
What is 196(2)?
196(2) is whoever commits an offence specified in subsection 1 in any place of worship or in assembly engaged in the performance of religious worship or religious ceremony shall be punished with imprisonment which may extend to 5 years and shall also be liable to fine.
196.
196(1) is put, 196(2) is not put.
196 is there incorrect?
Yeah.
2 is there? No, 196 घातले.
Yes, from every village of Benaulim constituency, Sadi Gaon. I have spoken to sir also last evening. We have come here with an extremely peaceful. I don't press गेले दोन्ही प्रेसाचे आणि लोका काय आपईल नाही ना एकटा इकून व्हायलन्साचे काय होईल नाही only to kind of ask your help because I always respect the police force, sir. You know my commitment to nature. So sir, like last time, the repeat should not happen where he comes only with a bail and then he walks out like a king. That's when continuous जातले. दुसरे तो एक point. So I don't know if it's a non-bailable section which is put, but he has to be arrested. He should not come with his lawyer and directly to the court to get a bail and walk out free. So secondly, sir, which is also very important, the organizers have taken one press. Think they may apologize, they may sorry magla. But now we don't know if that sorry is just an attempt to slow down, to make the people come. If they are really apologizing by heart, why are they not filing an FIR? The organizers. Them सांगनासतना त्यांनी दिली speech. So all मानतात. पण ते किती माही FIR मुखार नाही. So if I don't think they are going to register the FIR, they ask for a complaint also, even they put a complaint. So I also want you to take an extremely strict action on the organization because this organization has been doing it continuously now and then. The Vasco one. This is not the first time that they are doing. There are previous offences. So now tomorrow, if we go to every church and chapel and if we say, सगळ्यांक एकठांय करूया एक टाइम लागता ना सर कोई कितें जालें तें मडगो बंद केलें कोणाला एक जालें तें मडगो बंद जालें कित्याक लोकांक people get disturbed, children get disturbed and trust that सगळ्यांक so none of us want that sir. But saying that the same thing is happening again and again sir and only to our religion. I am speaking here as a Goan no doubt but I am also a very hardcore Roman Catholic. Yeah, I go to church every morning so this hurts very badly sir. Very, very badly. And it's a shame that is happening in our state. Sir, you are in the south, you are the head. So I want to know from you what steps you are taking, sir, so that everyone over here understands.
You have registered a case, whatever you are, what is section you are told, that also I will tell whatever to speak the prosecutor and we have. Then one priority we will do this. Because I am already yesterday night only I instructed my SPO and PI that we do it on a priority basis.
But he is out of Goa now, sir.
No, that also I have told my PI to find out.
But sir, what is happening, sir, with Subhash Wellington? They are in one, एक team थी. IPL last account चलता है, एकली family चलता है, team वेगळे असते, तसे ते. Now, if he doesn't get arrested and he comes with court order that he's got a bail, then we are coming back to the same stand. I'm thinking about the end, goal is 0. So at least this time since a Goan resident is holding this seat, sir, with all due respect, if you arrest them, sir, police also will have an entire respect, the police force. So that is what we want from you, an arrest. कित्याक जर तो कोर्टान जर ती बेल दिल्या मागीर काय फायदो ना सर.
So there
But are you tracing him or are you tracking him? What is it, sir?
Yeah.
Because FIR is registered, sir.
That year also, I told you to find out whether it is Goa or already gone.
But now, sir, this is it's almost more than 12 hours.
That time,
Oy.
this case April.
Oy. Oy.
Late 10 in 9, Sanjit complaint दिली
Right.
late whether Asa and now to find out the collector. Lie already. Already lie.
Sir, but this is not convincing enough. So it's hands or is or ani huiche dormak केल्ले कित जावपा ते सगळे खबर आसा गोंयांत. हांव धर्माचे ना पूण हांव गोंयकार म्हूण हांव उलयता सर. But again and again Catholics getting targeted is a very serious thing to look at. Very, very serious, sir. And getting targeted with the saint who we all look up to. Sogle Manta, again and again, and that language that is used, sir, even an apology is not enough. He has to be arrested, sir. And he has to be banned. Tekani am going to amga communist. So, kitle padi kela sir. It's not his first instance. 2025 10 speech below. I can share that speech on St. Francis Xavier in 2025 he said. In Goa. He's a YouTuber. So in his YouTube this he has said in 2025. And now he's repeating it here. So he is not at all, he does not think that he's done anything wrong. So we have to make sure that he realizes what he's doing. He's creating completely chaos in the state. सगळ्या भाशेन गोंयकारा भाशेन आम देखून सारखे दुखले. वी आर व्हेरी व्हेरी हर्ट. आणि कालसून म्हाका दिसता खंयचे गोंयकाराक खंयचे गोंयचे घरांत कोणाक हितपळे आसतली. कित्याक जी भाशा तेजें नांव देखून म्हाका काडपाक हीट येता. जे मनशान जी भाशा उलयला आमगे सायबाचे साफ्रास्कर सायबाचे ती भाशा आयकपा देखून एक जाणां दूख येता दोळ्यांतल्यान ते भाशेन राग आहा. सो वी कम आमी कॅथलीक कम्युनिटीचे लोक ते भाशेन गोंयकार लोक आमी लॉ अबायडिंग सिटीजन ते भाशेन सारखे पीसफूल. Again and again our Catholic community is getting targeted. This is not the first time. आमगे आजचो आमगे आखी कांकड्या नाय पूण आमी लॉ अबायडिंग सगळे. We are not taking law to in our hands. But how long will we not take law in our hands is a question which the police, which the government of Goa, which the chief minister, who also holds the home ministry, should answer. If he wants us to take law in our hands, even that we are capable of doing. Today with me, there are people from across Benalim constituency. There are youth, senior citizens, taxi guys, shack guys, सगळे आहे. We have come with a single point agenda. हे मनशाक अरेस्ट करू जाय. सुभाष वेलिंगकरा भाशेन तीच जर तर सीडी रिवायंड केल्या तो इन बेल घेवन चलतलो तेश कोन जाल्यार म्हणजे आमगेलो पुलीस फोर्साची आमकां वी वोंट हॅव एनी ट्रस्ट. सेकंडली तेका उलयता आसतना पुलिसाक उलयता खंयचूय सेक्शन घायलाय ते आमगेला एक सेक्शन 196/2 घायलना. द SP has promised that he will put that section. Very, very important. आणि मुडपा लॉस दिसता व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. जे दीस ते मिटींग जाले ते दीस 3 जाण आमचे गोंयचे 3 जाण आमदार आसलोले बसून थिंगा ते सायडीक. संकल्प आमोणकर, दाजी सालकर आणि तिसरो आमगेलो क्रिस्तांव मॉबिन गुदिनो तो आलोलो. लॉस दिसता म्हाका ते क्रिस्तांव मुडपा. हांवें SP सांगितला तुका जर तर एक लँडमार्क लोकांचो सल्यूट जाय गोंयकारालो जर तुका सल्यूट जाय एमकां तिगांयकू तूं मार्च पास्ट कर हिंगा पुलीस स्टेशनाक. दे आर प्रूफ टू वॉट ऑल ही हॅज स्पोकन. तेमगेली स्टेटमेंट घे तूं. तेमगे स्टेटमेंट रेकॉर्ड करपा लायलें SP. हक्कोच टॅग दोन फायद ना. तेण कितें म्हणला स्पिचीचे म्हाका कोण सांगिल्लो म्हूण. तो मास्टर मायंड कोण तो क्वेश्चन मार्क. ओ मास्टर मायंड मॉबिन गुदीन, ओ मास्टर मायंड संकल, ओ मास्टर मायंड दाजी सालकर, ओ आनी कोण गव्हर्मेंटाचो तो कळो जाय आमकां. These 3 people have to be summoned by the Goa police. At the end, we are all equal here. कोण राजा प्रजा काय नाही सगळे गोंयकार आमी आणि दूख सगळ्या जाल्या. तो मागता प्रेस माध्यमांतल्यान मुगे भावाको देखून तुम्ही ही स्टोरी फुल कवर अप कराय कित्याक दिसती पडटे भाशेन आमकां आमचे देखून खूब प्रेशर येयल्या. लोकां भायर काडनाका एशे तेशे आमचे एसो प्रेशर घायलो आहे. जायते डिपार्टमेंट मनशांनी पूण आमी भिवपा मनीस न्हू हेज्या पयलीं गोंय बंद केलो आमकां गोंय बंद करून लोकांक त्रास करूं नाकाय भुरग्यांक त्रास करूं नाकाय समर हॉलिडेज चलताय वी डू नॉट वॉन्ट चिल्ड्रन एंड पेरेंट्स टू बी ट्रबल्ड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इश्यू दे आर ट्रायिंग टू डायवर्ट द इश्यू आमकां खबर आहा ही इश्यू डायवर्ट करूं सोदताय म्हणून आमी गिन्या ना आमकां पूण कितू पाट देखून सांफ्रास्काचे उलयतले आनी कितू पाट देखून आमोग रावप फकत क्रिस्तांव धर्माचे उलोवप कितें आमी आमगे भावान गाल्विनिसान सांगिल्ल्या भाशेन वी फोगेट एंड वी फोगीव पूण सद्दां फोगेट एंड फोगीव दूख लागल्या
ते आमकां तेका एक स्टुडंट पिशाचे स्टुडंट गौतम खट्टर जाणे आमचे सांताचेर स्टेटमेंट केला आमचो सान फ्रांसीस साहेब फकत क्रिस्तांवांचोच न्हू तेजे देवस्थान सगळे समाजान चलता आनी सगळे तेका मानतात आनी असले स्टेटमेंट करप तांकां खूब काळजांतल्यान दूख जाल्या पयले सीएम कितें करता म्हाका कांय समजना सीएमान हाका अरेस्ट करूंक जाय म्हाका कांयच कळना तेजोच एजेंडा जाल्यार ही लोकां दोन धर्मावाले फूट घालून इलेक्शना लागीं पावल्या आनी असल्या टायमार हें चलता हांव मागता सीएम भितर सारको लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सांबाळटा ताका पयलो अरेस्ट कर दाखय तूं आरएसएसाचो प्लान फुडें व्हरना दुसरें ही सनातन धर्म रक्षा समिती मार्मागो तेंचे ऑर्गनायझर आहा ताका अरेस्ट करा ताबडतोब तेंच्यांनी तेंचे प्लॅटफॉर्म दिला हाका उलोवपाक आनी तो खूब सांगता कोण गौतम खट्टर सांगता तेणी आपणाक सांफ्रास्कावर सांगलां सो दीस मस्ट बी इन्व्हेस्टिगेटेड थरली आनी तांकां पयले अरेस्ट करचे सो मागता पुलिसांनी कडक कारवाई करून तांकां भितर परतून ताबडतोब अरेस्ट करचे हेजे वेलिंगकर भाशेन ताका बेल दिलो सोडलो असली नाटकां नाका आमकां ते तियात्र नाका आमी खूब पयले म्हणजे पास जाता पिड्यार जाता